Your home doesn't need a renovation. It needs a revelation. Sparkles. Most people think luxury is bought, but I'm going to show you how it's built. Overnight. And on a budget. Today, we're decoding the designer secrets that turn basic into breathtaking. Let's flip the script on your living room. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic modernism and tactile luxury. I'm Beki. If you've been staring at your space feeling like it's missing its soul, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering budget-friendly DIY home decor that looks undeniably high-end. I'm sharing the practical tips I use to help clients transform their space without a five-figure price tag. We're going from generic to gallery in just 24 hours. If you're ready to stay grounded while elevating your walls, let's dive in. Secret 1. The texture shift. The plaster vessel. Luxury begins with material honesty. We're turning the $2 thrift store vase into a designer statement using texture dialogue. Mix simple acrylic paint with baking soda until it reaches the consistency of thick frosting. Apply it in irregular strokes to mimic aged stone or travertine. This adds a layer of tactile opulence that grounds the room's energy and provides a sophisticated focal point for $0. Secret 2. Shadow architecture. Overnight lighting. To transform your space overnight, you must master shadow architecture. Most living rooms are flat because of overhead lighting. Use affordable, battery-operated LED puck lights and place them behind a large floor plant or underneath a DIY shelf. This grazing light highlights textures and creates depth, making your small living room feel like a high-end sanctuary the second the sun goes down. Secret 3. The Golden Ratio Gallery, Linear Art. We are creating breathtaking wall art using the Golden Ratio. Take a large piece of cardboard or canvas and use joint compound to create linear rhythm, vertical or arched ridges. The designer secret: your focal arch should be approximately 60% of the width of your sofa. Art width is approximately 0.6 times sofa times width. This ensures the scaling and proportion feels intentional and bespoke, not like an afterthought. Secret 4. T-soft architecture. The linen reset. We don't buy new pillows. We engage in soft architecture. Dye your tired, white cushions in a weak coffee or tea bath to achieve a breathtaking ecru or tobacco shade. This creates a cozy vibe and a material dialogue between your furniture and your new DIY art, making the whole room feel like a curated restorative sanctuary. Secret 5. The botanical anchor, final layer. Finally, every stunning living room needs a botanical anchor. Instead of a tiny plant on every table, choose one large branch from your yard and place it in your newly textured vase. This brings high artistry design into the space, providing a sense of organic modernism that is both sustainable and free. As you step back and look at your room tonight, I hope you see more than just new decor. I hope you see your own power to create a sanctuary that reflects the peace you deserve. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your heart for a grounded, beautiful home is what makes this community shine. If you're ready for your own home revelation, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Which overnight hack are you starting tonight? I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded.